Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? So, Stellar XLM holder, in this video, I will give you something very secret information and very urgent update, and definitely I will answering your question now. Absolutely, in my previous Stellar XLM video, a lot of holder asked me a lot of questions, so therefore I am going to answering also you in this video, my friend. Let's get started, my friends. What's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis, everything I'm going to discuss you. Please, if you are new my channel, now subscribe this channel, and please subscribe. Alright, my friend, this time the Stellar XLM price will hover by hour moving upward wake up. So therefore I note this, and I will give you 100% guarantee, my friend, to if you are starting selling in those days, so you cannot get a profit and you will lose now. So therefore, my friend, sorry to say this, my friend, this is very huge mistake to you are starting selling in those days. Please don't starting selling. And my friend, in the last 10 days of every month, every coin will wake up and take a very huge jumps now. So therefore the price is also very cheap now, and definitely at the end of month, my friend, the price will starting increasing. So I notify you, my friends, please do this what I talk you. I will give you guarantee to you will get a lot of profits now if you are honest. Thanks for watching, holder. Please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.